those sentences are comparatively longer. So you want to make sure students' affective filter don't get shut down. So that's why you put a word bank for them, for their reference, okay? And the next example, again, it's similar, but I combine filling blanks with translation and also type the sentence in the Chinese characters there for the kids. So you just like play with it. Depending on your needs and students' needs, you choose the type of assessment you need, okay? So let's talk about some features of those matching work tasks. The way I think about give the matching work task is like how I prepare meat at home when I cook. If I want to make my meat really flavorful, I have to pound the meat vertically, horizontally, back and the front, from the side. Every perspective you can think about. So does this comprehensible input thing. You have to give students this video and let them watch it many times, not with the same task, but with different tasks. It's like pounding the meat from different perspective, but you have the same piece of meat, same piece of video. They just have to watch it, digest it in different ways, so that you make sure they digest it well, they knows it well, and they remember those sounds from the video. Okay, so a good matching work task must ask the students watch the video again and again, and they don't feel bored yet. The second feature is it's like give students different puzzles to solve, but with the same map. 3, have students focus on listening, which means the sounds of the language in the video, and also comprehensibility, which means they understand the content of that video. And you have to give them crystal clear instructions. Think about the worksheet where I put the matching picture with the matching questions, so that students don't get confused. Hey, which part I am? Am I missing anything? That's something I learned from the past, because in the beginning, I just put all the questions there. I don't care if students are not keeping up with the video, but students constantly say, this is frustrating because I don't know if I'm at the right place, So I started to put those matching pictures for them there, which is a very useful visual aid for them. And those are some commonly seen task types when you use CI embedded videos: filling blanks, matching, multiple choice, and translate. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a short tutorial, and we're going to make a CI embedded video together with Adobe Spark. I love to use Adobe Spark to start with because of 3 reasons. First, it's free and unlimited. Second, it's really easy to use. Think about like you are making this Google slide or PowerPoint. You just fill in the blanks and insert picture and make a voice over it and generate. Download, that's it. And the third thing is the video you make with Adobe Spark, they're of high quality. Okay, so now let's go to make a CI embedded video.